So you've pretty much been homeless like your whole life then, really?
Yes. And when TikTok start come, I start on TikTok.
Yeah.
And me so get look help from. But Nicki used to give me some gift.
Nicki who?
Nicki Minaj, that's what me call her.
Nicki Minaj, the rapper.
Yes.
She really did help you say?
Yes. And I take the things them and buy my furniture them. Rather my furniture them, they are storage.
Everything shoot.
Yes.
Guys, the man have furniture. Him have furniture. Him have everything. You just
Hot
need
furniture. I mean, created furniture. Hot furniture. Yeah.
man say him have hot furniture, guys. I think a part of the reasons why like people are so hesitant for one gear room and whatever, I think it's probably your social media presence. You know what I mean?
Look on Rosalie. You see Rosalie get her house. Then why me can't get somewhere. And the whole of them. None of them now, bro.
None of them now work.
None of them now, I beg all of them big on TikTok. I'll join the whole of them. Beg them big.